Welcome to Confessions of Room 3428. It's Thursday, so it's Lisa Day. I am on team win. Yes, we rock. We do our videos on time. And we even post them. Although I know, Josh, you had a really rough weekend. And MJ, you've been trying to put together all this Terminus stuff and it's going crazy. And Kim, I think you've got the best excuse of us all. I mean, getting married. Maybe you had some other things to do. I'm just saying. So my challenge from the lovely, adorable Attikins was to dress up as a quest character, not the seer, and I have to be in character for 2 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and get dressed and change my environment and make it so that I have everything perfect. And when I come back, I will be in character. So hang in there, watch, marvel, and enjoy. So I'll be right back. Watch the magic of the video.
Well, hello there. It's me, Katie Gaber Noble. Bet you weren't expecting to see me. I got a message from the seer that Lisa was supposed to do her vlog this week as one of her quest characters. That's when I knew I was going to have to make a guest appearance. See, Lisa wrote these books. Starting with this one, Oracle Quest, and there are many more after. She keeps claiming that the character she's writing about in these books is her best friend, but here I am, a real person. I really lived through all those adventures, went to the land and saved them from evil and traveled through time and space, and she's writing little fantasy books about it. But, you know, really honestly, I gotta give her credit. She did a damn fine job. I mean, really, I lived through it, and I still can't resist reading the book. Don't tell her. Anyway, I'm just hanging out here at the orchard. Everybody is out either practicing or in town getting dinner, and you'll probably hear the kid in the background and having a lot of fun. But, you know, being an oracle isn't all just sitting around all day playing with little pink balls, although that is a lot of fun. Anyway, I actually do legitimate work. I work for the Wrightstone Foundation, and I have to send annual reports. I have to keep track of the protectors. I have to keep tabs on the new protectors who are coming in like every month, it seems. I have to keep the fairies from getting distracted from the likes of Orly, which, you know, Orly, you know why that's difficult to do. Anyway, so I have a lot of things to do, and in the meantime, I'm also a mom and a wife, and I'm running this place and trying to keep it in some semblance of order. You know, having oracle power is great, but it doesn't get the dishes done, and it doesn't get the laundry done. So, you know, I have a lot of stories about how we've done all these things out here, and the craziness that goes on. You wouldn't even believe it. I mean, the story. Hey, Addie! Oh, hold on a sec. That little fairy wanted to send a message. That's right. I have a feeling that Addie just wants to be a star when the books are inevitably made into movies. Can't say that I'll be young enough to play myself at that point, but hey, it's okay. I do have one little suggestion, that you do have Johnny Depp play evil. Maybe then I can at least meet him. You know, the smoldering, dark, lovely, sexy. Anyway, I guess I better go. I know the guys will be back soon, and I'm taking up all of your time, but I just wanted to let you know I am real, and the books really do make a difference in the world, and they really are important. So you gotta ask yourself, what will you do to maintain the balance? Think about it. Ciao.
Whew! That was difficult. I don't think you guys understand how difficult that was. I mean, I am a 5'8", fluffy brunette with brown eyes, and I turned myself through the magic of movies into a petite, blonde, blue-eyed girl. You have to admit, pretty impressive. What was that ticking noise? I mean, it was like the mysterious ticking noise. Snake, snake, have a mystery. I think it was evil trying to tap in, but so, yeah. I dare you guys to do better than that. That was a good costume. Although, I do have to bow to the cotton balls. Where's my bowing? To bow to the cotton balls. Lizzie, that was hysterical. And Andy, you really rocked your challenge. You really did a fantastic job. Although, you know, there is something that you can do to make strips of paper other than tearing them. It's called scissors. Questions. I did ask a question last week. It really wasn't a question, but I kind of threw out a challenge out there to you guys. Nobody has answered it, so I'm going to use it again this week. And that is, you need to give me a title of blogs that I can do on Leaky. So give me a title. If I may or may not choose to use it. My blogs are going to be about balance. I am going to be doing a blog where I kind of introduce each one of you guys through my eyes. I'll let you guys read it first. Maybe. Maybe not. Got some presents and surprises for you for Terminus that I'm really looking forward to. I think that it's going to be an absolute fantastic time for everybody. The conferences that you go to with Harry Potter, whether you know one person, 1,000 people, or nobody, are always just incredibly fun. And you'll have a good time. If it's your first Harry Potter conference, enjoy. And get geared up for LeakyCon 2009, because that one's going to rock. Or I should say, rock. The question that we have this week on the table that I know of is from Lizzie Bo Lizzie. And she asked what our favorite candy is. Like, I don't like candy. I have to say, I think my favorite of all would have to be chocolate covered caramel. I love chocolate covered caramels. Them some good eating. But as I live in Arizona, and it was 100,000 degrees outside today, I don't think I'll be eating chocolate for a while. It's just too difficult to eat chocolate in the summertime in Arizona. Even chocolate ice cream, because it's just like... Although I did have a particularly delightful A&W float today. Root beer float, as Lizzie would say. So I guess that's it. I really hope that we get to see everybody. I miss seeing Josh and MJ and Kimmers, and please blog soon. And a special thank you to Katie, the Oracle, for her appearance this week, because, you know, I have to manifest her from the inside out. And if you don't thank the manifestations, they tend to hurt you a lot. Alright, so I think that's it for me this week. Short and sweet and simple, but it's on time. Team win, team win, team win. And hopefully it was a little bit entertaining. And I will see you guys next week. I miss you. I love you. I've got to find my mouse to turn off my computer now. And I will talk to you next week. Hugs.